Today we're going over the banded row. So this is one of my favorite exercises to introduce rowing patterns. So again, very important when we're talking about building shoulder health. Why I like this one is it incorporates our hinge movement, and also it strengthens our postural muscles. They're going to be required to hold us up. So to do it, we're going to need one of these rubber circular bands. What we're going to do is just stand hip width apart. And then from here, we got to really practice that hinge movement that we've been working on. So what we're going to do is start by sending our hips back. So again, just to the point where we feel that tension in the hamstrings and my trunk stays nice and straight. So I'm trying to keep my chest up. And again, you're going to feel these guys start to turn on. Then from there, what you're going to do is you're going to grab the band. And again, the closer you go to the feet, the more resistance you're going to feel. The further up, the less resistance. And then from there, you're just going to do a two-handed row. So keep the elbows nice and close to the body. Shouldn't go out further than about 45 degrees from your body. And again, maintaining that hinge, keeping your back nice and straight. You're going to feel it all the way up the back of your spine. So there you have it. That's the banded row with a hinge.